Hello everyone, thank you for joining this presentation. The topic of discussion here is case study research design. This video covers the definition and explanation of case study research design, types of case study, steps undertaken in case study research, and advantages and disadvantages of case study research design. Yin has defined case study in two parts. The first part states that a case study is an empirical inquiry that investigates contemporary phenomenon with its real-life context, especially when the boundaries between phenomena and context are not clearly evident. The second part states that the case study inquiry copes with the technically distinctive situation in which there will be many more variables of interest than data points. It relies on multiple sources of evidence, with data needing to converge in a triangulation fashion, and as a result, it benefits from the prior development of theoretical propositions to guide data collection and analysis. The purpose of case study research in business and management is to use empirical evidence from real people in real organizations to make an original contribution to knowledge. Case study research is appropriate to answer when and how questions when you want to explore context in order to provide in-depth findings. Case studies are popular research methods in business and management. It aims to analyze specific issues within the boundaries of a specific environment, situation, or organization. We can categorize case study into four types with respect to its nature. The first type is single case study, in which one case is to be studied at one point in time. Single case study is appropriate when the researcher is interested to test a well-formulated theory or to explore a unique phenomenon. Multiple case study is a study of same phenomenon in multiple cases. In multiple case study, researcher can make a comparison of the findings between study cases. Third type is retrospective case study, whose aim is to study the past. It is research design in which data are collected after the facts has been happened. The events and activities under study have already occurred. The outcome of these events and activities are known. A longitudinal case study is a research design that involves repeated observations of the same variable, for example people, over short or long period of time in a single or multiple cases. There are 5 types of case studies based on the hypothesis they prove. The first is explanatory case study, which aims to answer how or why question with little control on behalf of researcher over occurrence of events. This type of case studies focus on causal relationship of phenomenon within the context of real life situation. For example, an investigation into the reasons of an organizational employee's work behavior and motivation. The second type is exploratory case study, which aims to answer the questions of what or who. Exploratory case study data collection method is often accompanied by additional data collection methods such as interviews, questionnaires, experiments, etc. For example, a study into differences of leadership practices between private and public sector organizations. Third type is descriptive case study, which aims to analyze the sequence of interpersonal events after a certain amount of time has been passed. Studies in business research belongs to this category usually describe culture or subculture, and they attempt to discover the key phenomena. For example, impact of COVID-19 on marketing practice of an organization. Fourth type is intrinsic case study. Intrinsic case study is the study of a case where the case itself is of primary interest in the exploration. The last type is instrumental case study. It is a study of a case to provide insight into a particular issue, redraw generalization, or build theory. In instrumental case study research, the case facilitates understanding of something else. Let's have a look on the steps of case study. The first step is designing the research. Prepare a layout of what needs to be researched and how. The second step is selection of appropriate research method from interviews, survey, observation, document analysis, historical data, focus group, or other research method. Third step is collection and analysis of data about the study phenomena. In the last step, researcher prepare the research report that includes not only the findings but also the overall design and context of the study. Advantages and disadvantages of case study. Advantages of case study method include data collection and analysis within the context of phenomenon, integration of qualitative and quantitative data in data analysis, face validity, which means that a well-written case study based on empirical research in an organization represents a real story that most researchers can identify with. Moreover, case study research allows researchers to explore or test theories within the context of messy real-life situations. These situations are never as neat and tidy as our theories. Case study design has the ability to capture complexities of real-life situations so that the phenomenon can be studied in greater level or depth. Case study research do have certain disadvantages that may include lack of rigor, challenges associated with data analysis, very little basis for generalization of findings and conclusion. Moreover, it can also be difficult to gain access to the particular organization or group of organizations that you want to study. Another disadvantage of case study is that the researchers has no control over the situation. In practice, this means that if the company you are studying is suddenly taken over by another company halfway through your study, so there is very little that you can do about it. The last disadvantage of case study research is that it takes a long time, even for experienced researchers. It takes time to gain access, it takes time to do empirical research, and it takes even more time to do the write-up. From start to finish, case study research is time consuming. I hope this video enhanced your knowledge on the topic. Do subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't hesitate to drop a comment if required.